Since nar-group ako doon, Mr. Chair, 2001 hanggang 2007 ako sa Davao City, Mr. Chair.
And have you ever encountered, for example, or learned that the owner of the CLA is a Chinese?
Hindi ko, we are not particular kasi ang laki nung DCLA, Mr. Chair eh. Iba't ibang talagang ang laki nun. Ang concern namin yon during that time is yung display area, yung Polytex na foam, na kung saan naandun sila.
Yeah, but
But yung meeting ni Hong Ming and Alan C, wala kaming footage nun or
Yeah, but
walang report on that, Mr. Chair.
yeah, because apparently, Mr. Chair, what nagiging curious lang ako because the way I understood your explanation in the previous hearing is that you've dedicated time, invested your so much resources just to pin down Alan C. And I just got curious why pag tinanong kita, sino nagsisurveillance ka, how come you did not even at least bother to know why the C couple have been going to this DSLA store and what are the business there? At saka you never bothered to asking people who owns this DCLA, which apparently I see Hong Min na siya pala yung Michael Tan. Kasi 'di ba General Wilkins, no? We've been asking you kung bakit there was never any instance where in your report si Michael Tan ay nasali doon sa Matrix nung ano. Sabi nyo, si Asierto lang, narinig nyo lang si Asierto. It was never in the part of your investigation. So ngayon that Miss Jed is saying na hindi, kilala na nila si Hong Min, that's Michael Tan, nagiging na ano lang ako, medyo na intrigue lang ako. Bakit doon nagkaroon ng some gap doon sa missing nung inyong surveillance to a point na hindi nyo man lang tiningnan kung ano yung interest ng C couple na pupunta sila doon sa DCLA, which happens to be a common knowledge is owned by a Chinese, na hindi mo lang kayo magtanong na 3 months kayo nag-invest ng time, resources, and operatives. Bakit to ganun?
Mr. Chair, kasi initially talagang walang Michael Yang sa personalities. Kung if you will remember back yung statement ni Asierto, nag-start yung Michael Yang noong 2016. Kasi kung may Michael Yang, again, kung may Michael Yang doon sa 2004, isinama namin siya sa pag-file ng kaso, Mr. Chair. So during that time, wala talagang Michael Yang na lumalabas or Hong Ming na lumalabas.
Pero kilala nyo po, na alam nyo po na ang may-ari nung store na yon